Hello students, in this video we are going to learn how to complete the pie chart. So we'll learn through this question number 12B from 0580 winter session 3-2 paper 2025. Question number A is complete the table, which is already done. Now we'll have to complete the pie chart. This is the circle given. So now take your protractor to complete the pie chart. Take the protractor, align this line, the radius of this circle with one of the 0. So now the inner circle of this protractor is aligned, 0 aligned with the line. Now first angle is 64 degrees. So 64 degrees in the inner circle, if we check, it is after 60, from 0 to 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So you will have to mark at 64. Take your pencils, mark at 64. Yeah, this is 64. Then again shift your 0 line to this line which you have already drawn and mark the next angle, which is 136, or else you can take 160 because maybe this will feel difficult to you to check. So 160, so 0 is here, 160 will be here exactly. This is 160. So now according to your marking, write the angles and also the color of the car, because the question is the table shows the results of the survey about the color of 90 cars in a car park. So this is angle 64. So here it is black. This is angle 160. So this will be other, and the remaining angle will be 136. So this will be white. So this is done, students. Completing of pie chart is done. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss out any of my videos. Thank you. Goodbye.